Now we're going to set up an NFT marketplace. So click Getting Started. Ensure that you have the pre-requirements in your developer environment, and then we'll run the launch wizard. The NFT marketplace is an ERC-721 marketplace, so let's select ERC-721. And we'll want to run this on mainnet. So now I'll input my mainnet Infura RPC endpoint. The address we're going to use is a Cheese Wizard address. Cheese Wizard. This is Cheese Wizard. And I'm going to use a light theme here and run on port 3001. So this will go off and fetch some Docker containers. It'll build the front end, which can take up to 2 minutes. Once the front end is built, we'll be able to navigate to the marketplace on localhost port 3001. As you can see, some of the containers have now started. Now, the front-end website will not be available until the front-end container has completed building. This can take up to 2 minutes. As you can see, the front end has now completed building. So let's navigate to localhost 3001. I'll now allow MetaMask to communicate with the front end. As you can see, we now have a deployed 0x launch kit marketplace, and we're selling Cheese Wizards. So let's create a sell order for one of my Cheese Wizards. Now this Cheese Wizard looks pretty unique, so I'm going to sell it for 10 ETH and set the expiration for 5 days. So I signed the order selling my Cheese Wizard for 10 ETH. Now, by default, the marketplace does not show your own orders for these NFTs. So switch MetaMask's account if you'd like to see your own orders from a different perspective. As you can see, my Cheese Wizard is now listed for 10 ETH.